Hello and welcome back to this series on SpaCy for the purposes of DH and Python for text analysis. In the last video, we looked at named entity recognition with ints. In this video, we're going to move away from that and start working with what is known as tokenization, or the separating of everything in a text or a string down to individual tokens. These are the individual words, punctuation, etc., so that we can start to work out and analyze sentences grammatically. Not just grammatically, but start to separate out very important things. In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate parts of speech so that in the next video, I know I promised this in the last one, in the next video, we can start actually going through and identifying not only nouns, but noun chunks in our data. So how do we do this? Well, it's actually quite simple. All you're going to have to do is, and again, we're going to be working with this sentence here, right there. We're going to say for token in sentence, and the sentence is now going to be broken down into individual tokens. We are going to print off token, and that's it for right now. So when we run this, we see we've broken down the entire text like so. So how do we actually get the part of speech? Well, it's actually very simple. Just like we could do with docs, we can pass in some very specific arguments here, and we can say token.text to simply print off the text. And then we can also say token.pos, which is part of speech, and the underscore. That is very important. If you don't do the underscore, you're just going to get a number. We want to see what that part of speech is. Now, when we print this off, it's going to run, and it's going to allow us to see every single part of speech. So is an adverb, she is a pronoun, was is an auxiliary verb, modifying considering, and we can keep on going all the way down. In another video, I'm going to show you how to draw one of those things we all hated in grade school, a tree with all this information. For right now, though, we just need to extract this information, and this is how you do it. You break down all the sentence or all the string down into individual tokens, and now you can separate them out and actually extract all of that essential metadata that is happening in the background that you can't see. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this very important piece of information to extract all nouns from a text, and we're going to go one step further and extract all noun chunks from a text. That's going to be it for this video, though. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe down below and visit us at pythonhumanities.com.